He needs help. It's stuck. Jackson, pull it out of the snow. There you go. There. You got it. Move, Jax! You're gonna get run over. You don't want to ride your scooter, Jackson, to Adrena? Move, Jackson! Jackson, ride it to Daddy, over there. Is that how fast it usually is?
This bike?
Yeah.
No, it's like faster.
It's probably because the battery is starting to die. It has to charge overnight. No wonder why it looks upside down. Jackson, what happened to you? You got stuck in the snow? You got stuck on the ice?